Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're test driving TradingView and want to know exactly how to cancel your free trial or subscription, you're in the right place. Maybe you've explored the platform and realized it's not quite the right fit, or maybe you just want to avoid being charged after the trial period ends. By the end of this video, you'll confidently know how to find the cancellation option and smoothly end your subscription. No confusion, no hidden hoops to jump through. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open TradingView and head straight for your account settings. Now, this might sound basic, but remember, platforms tend to tuck away billing and subscription info in their settings menus to keep things neat and sometimes a bit out of sight. Just look for your profile icon, usually tucked in the top right corner, and give it a click. From there, look for the Settings option. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scan for a section labeled Billing. This is your control center for anything payment or subscription related. Now, once you're in the billing area, you should spot a button or link that says something like Cancel Trial or Cancel Subscription. TradingView tries to make it visible, but if you don't see it right away, don't worry, sometimes it's tucked just beneath your current plan status. Take a breath here and double-check, since ending a trial before you're charged is important if you want to avoid any unexpected fees. Think of this part like turning off the oven before your cookies overbake. Catching it in time saves you from a mess later. Alright, when you click that Cancel Trial button, TradingView isn't going to just end things right there. You'll see a prompt asking you to confirm that you truly intend to cancel. They might also ask for a reason, and this is totally standard. Companies love feedback so they can learn how to improve. You can choose whichever reason fits your situation or just select something generic if you prefer. Don't feel pressured here, share as much or as little as you want. After you've made your selection and confirmed the cancellation, that's pretty much it. You should see a quick confirmation message letting you know your trial or subscription has been canceled. If you get an email confirmation, even better. I always recommend keeping that email in your records, just in case you ever need proof of cancellation. And don't worry if you've gotten this far but don't see the cancel button, or if anything feels confusing along the way. Sometimes platforms update their interfaces or move things around. I suggest refreshing the page or even logging out and back in to see if the button appears. But as long as you follow these steps, settings, billing, cancel trial, you'll be all set. So there you have it. Canceling your TradingView free trial or subscription is clearer and easier than it might seem at first, just a few straightforward steps and you're in control. If you found this walkthrough helpful, let me know by giving the video a thumbs up. Feel free to drop your questions or your own experiences canceling subscriptions in the comments. I always love hearing from you. And if you want more practical tutorials like this, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.